Hello, my name is Devina Maura Wulandari from Universitas Inaba with name.
Can you tell me about yourself?
Sure, my name is Devina Maura Wulandari, but people tend to call me Vina. I live in Bandung. I graduated 2 years ago with a beauty high school, and I took a job after graduation at a beauty clinic that recommended by teacher.
Why are you interested in this job, company?
Yes, I am attracted to this job because this is a field I like from the past. First opportunity is this job could help me to pave my way toward a long-term career.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
I have several strengths that I can bring to this job. I have skills in the field of beauty, such as facial. I can work under pressure, and I'm adaptable to any situation. And my weakness, I am perfectionist.
What experience do you have in this field industry?
I have several experience, all of which is that I have worked a beauty clinic before, and I also spend my school time learning about beauty.
Why are you leaving your job?
Because I want to develop my ability, and I also want to seek new learning and experience.
What have you been doing since your last job?
I left my last job 1 month ago, and since then I've been lucky enough to decide to my time to focus on university study.
What can you contribute to the company?
I'm sure my experience in the beauty fields aligns perfectly with UNIT. I work extensively with this program as a beauty therapist.